Hey guys, Chris MLC, welcome back to the channel. Now this is sort of a follow-up video with the electron gun. I've had a chance to do some more parts and they've really just been getting better and better with each shot. So I figured I have a set of my late model sail panels to do. So I figured I'd just take you guys along on a quick video to shoot and bake these things. So I've already got the blue loaded up in the electron. So I'm gonna get you on the stand and we're just gonna get to it. See you in a minute. And we're not doing bad. Have to go ahead and get the backside. Those are the settings I'm using. I have been running there, but this seems to be working out pretty decent for me. I've had pretty good results. I don't know if anyone else is watching this and using the gun. What settings have you've been running it at? I mean, I gotta go a little slower because I'm not putting out so much powder. They're on the rack, waiting for the oven to go. I think we're at 286 right now. Take it down here to the other end for a minute. I did my first intake. All right, what we got here is an RPM air gap for a Chevy. And I did it in Columbia's Super Matte Black. Now it was sandblasted it, washed it, outgassed it for close to probably hour and a half. Let her cool down and shot her. It was definitely fun. It was interesting getting down here in this area here and this area right here. Getting under there was fun, but these corners here were tricky, but I don't think it turned out, I just don't think it turned out half bad for my first intake. The shop's coming little by little. You know, what I can get done in the evenings after work, and then when I can get out here on the weekends. It's definitely come along a little bit. This is another thing we need to talk about here, and we will be getting to this really soon. I put up a community post voting for what the next content that you guys like to see. Powder coat, welding, race car stuff, or maybe some CAD software stuff. And right now I do believe race car stuff's in the lead. So yeah, we'll have some of that coming up. I got to bring the black and red late model back down here, and we got to get the power steering pump put in it. So for those of you that are interested in how to change a reverse mount power steering pump on a dirt late model, we will take care of that here within the next week. The oven shut off, so that means it's time for me to get this stuff put in the oven. Okay. Didn't turn out bad. Yeah, I can't complain about those at all. Yeah, I mean, the Electron's still doing a great job. And for those of you curious, this color is Columbia Coatings Super Mirror Blue. I've been pretty much using Columbia Coatings for all the standard colors, and then all the fluorescents I've been getting from prismatic powders. But I don't know, I can't complain about them. I think they look good. A little dark over here, I can't see what we're doing. Okay, yeah, like I said, we'll have videos coming up of working on the late model, putting a power steering pump in it. Then we have the video coming up of clipping the Pierce. We got another one of these jig tables to build. And then at some point I will get with you guys. I wanted to do it this week sometime. and talk about this little burn table I've been building from JD's garage. I just got the rest of the stuff to finish it here, so I'll be able to get onto that. We can talk about that, and I'll walk you through that and see what I think of it. So, yeah, with that being said, guys, if you haven't yet, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't. Last time I checked, we were, I think, 11 subscribers away from 1,000. Yeah, that is really cool. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel, watching the videos. It means a lot, and it's cool to be finally getting up on that 1,000 subscriber mark. Until the next video, this is Chris, and I will see you later.